My eye is really sore. I can't see very well. The things that I do for you. Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So I've got my brown contact lenses in. You've been asking me, probably for years actually, to do makeup with brown eyes. This might be the first and last time that I'm doing this. It takes me ages to put these in. This one is quite sore and gritty, and I know you've told me that it might be that I'm putting them inside out, or I have a little tear. And I think I might have a little tear in that one because the way I take them out, I probably did it with my nail. Anyway, this one is okay, but this one, I can't see very well, so I don't know what this makeup will look like. But as soon as I do it, I will take them out. So most of you wanted to see purple, and I, on my blue eyes, use sort of purple eyeshadows, but I suppose they are more mauvey. So the only palette that I have that has like true purples is this Too Faced Razzle Dazzle Berry palette. I love this palette. It's beautiful and very dirty. So here it is. You see, I've got on the end these two really purple eyeshadows, three really. So we will play with those. Okay, I'm going to, let's clip my hair a bit so it's out of my way. I've curled my hair today, loving it. I'm going to put a bit of the P. Louise eyeshadow primer. I like my brown eyes, I really do. Different, but I do like it. I've told you this before, I just feel when you've got brown eyes, you look fine even without any eye makeup on, because you can actually see the eyes. With blue eyes, you look a bit washed out. I'm going to set this now with this lightest shade, just under my brow, down to my crease, because that's where I want the eyeshadow to blend really well. You know, if you have really sticky base up here, when you start blending, the eyeshadow might just stick to the base instead of blending out. So that's why we're doing it. You can put it all over your eyelid as well. So the next one, obviously, I will use this one, which is, I don't know what color that is, like a brownie mauve, in my crease. And what I might do after I've done that, I will take one of them out to see which color this makeup look better on, blue eyes or brown eyes. I really want to wear these contact lenses, but honestly, trying to put them in and do it right so you don't have that gritty, painful, watering eye, it's a real challenge for me. Okay, now I'm going to use that last purple. I'm going to use this that actually looks a bit, I think it's a bit duochrome, this one. So I'm just using it on like half of my eye up to the crease, and then I will blend it in a bit into that crease color, so to blow it up. Am I not too dark? it's a lovely sunny day again, so I'm not using any artificial lighting, but sometimes I worry that it might be too dark. I'm going to pack quite a lot of that eyeshadow and then try to blend it out. And now I'm going to use this bright purple. There's almost like a magenta purple. I'll use the same brush. I'm using the Sonia G Build Up Pro brush, and these are natural hair brushes, so they are so good because they deposit all the eyeshadow on your eye. They hardly leave anything on the brush, so you can use multiple shades. Oh, that mixture looks really nice. That makes it, because that dark purple in the pan looks quite purple, but when you put it on your eye, it looks a bit different. But if you mix it with this magenta, it makes it quite a nice purple. I have a bit of fallout. So I'm doing the same thing that I just did with the other shadow, but just mixing them together. Honestly, it's so hard for me to see that I don't know if I'm blending it or not. I'm going to take this brush, which is Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. This is from her whole set, and that one is JH32. Go back to that crease color and just try to blend out, you know, between the purple. Now I'm going to drop my eyes because they are hooded, and as you can see, a lot of that purple has dropped, so it's hidden. And without moving my eyebrows, I'm going to put that purple a bit higher so you can actually see it. I think with brown eyes you can just go quite bright on your eye, so I'm going to build that magenta color because I really love it, especially mixed with that purple. I'm going to bring it in a bit, not all the way down, but you know, to about here where my eyebrow starts. It looks really pretty. I love it. Okay, I'm going to do a similar thing on my lower lash line. So I will use first the dark purple all the way almost to my inner corner. Then I will dip it in this magenta one and go over it like closer to my lash line. Take that blending brush and blow it out all on the edges. Oh my god, I really hope I'm blending it. Honestly, I can't really see very well. Now, this eyeshadow, this creamy, metallic foiled eyeshadow is absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful. Look at it. I'm going to put that on my mobile lid, and I think this one applies pretty good just with the brush, so let's try. Yeah. Oh, that is so beautiful. I just love this palette. I might actually buy another one just in case they stop making this one. Take a little brush and go with that eyeshadow here in the corner. Now I will take the darkest one here and I will wet my brush and use it as a liner on my top lash line. Almost wing it a bit. And that's done. I'm just going to put mascara on. I think I've shown you this one. This is the iconic London New mascara. And you know when I shown you the Kevin Aquam one, and I was thinking, I'm sure I've seen that mascara before. It's because of this. This one's got a very tiny brush, a bit different than the Kevin one, but it's equally good. Okay, so that's the finished look. Let's do lips. I've dug out my old favorite lipstick. I hope they still make it because I might buy it again. This is Max Factor Angel Pink. I'm sure if you've been with me for a long time, you've seen me using it in the past. It's a beautiful pearly pale pink, but I'm going to put a bit darker lip liner on. This is NYX Los Angeles. And this is not pink, this is brown, but I would say it's got a pink undertone. I think if you put like a bright pink lipstick with a light pink lipstick, you might end up looking a bit like 80s reject, you know. So that's why I feel like using a bit darker lip liner makes maybe this pearly lipstick look a bit more modern. And I will fill my lips a bit with it. And smudge it a bit, and let's do the lipstick. Look how beautiful it is. Might actually go over slightly. There, and that's the finished look. So so shall we take one of those lenses out and see what this particular makeup looks like with blue eyes? Got it. Okay, so what do you think? I think this one definitely looks nicer with brown eyes. And we already know that purples are very good for brown eyes. I would like to see them both with green because greens would look beautiful as well. Okay, my lovelies, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. I might do some more. I might have to. I've got another pair of brown ones, but I'm not sure I like them. I will see because I'm sure this one Yeah, I'm sure I have a tear in that one because I made sure that I put it the right side in. So I might have to get another pair or something to be able to do that again, because it was quite uncomfortable and I wasn't able to see very well. But makeup doesn't look too bad. Okay, my lovelies, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.